Here I have Omoda, and let me show you how to perform the reset navigation settings on Omoda infotainment system. So if you are using the Omoda navigation and you would like to bring back the default configuration, the default settings, you can do this really easily. All you need to do is use here the apps icon to find and select the navigation. So this is the first icon from the left. And now in navigation, you can choose here settings. As you can see in the upper right corner, you've got the settings icon. And now all you need to do is scroll down, and now you can see more, and under more, you can choose reset navigation. So if you would like to reset your navigation to its factory default settings, you have to perform reset, but you have to be aware that this will erase all data, including but not limited to preference data, history data, and all settings into default status. You may need to reaccept navigation terms and condition and at next start. If you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's tap reset, and that's it. You just reset your navigation settings. You can go back, and as you can see, you have to agree to privacy policy and terms and conditions, and tap continue, tap agree one more time, and now you will be able to use your navigation. Let me just do it. As you can see, you need to confirm a few things to have the fresh start. Alright, and now you can use it. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.